Hello students, today's topic is story writing using an outline. So let's start. The outline describes a sequence of events with characters in the form of points or short phrases. First of all, we'll see elements of story writing. Characters of the story. The characters in the story may be people, animal, and sometimes even non-living things who talk and behave like human beings. Developing a story from an outline. In it we can see, read the outline of the story carefully and understand what the story is all about. Develop the points of the outline into complete sentence. Third one, follow the outline of the story. See, follow the sequence in which the points are given. These parts form the series of events in the story. Next, do not omit any part of the outline. Do not include unrelated or unnecessary events that may change the story completely. Every story has a beginning, middle, and an ending. Include details to make the story interesting and enjoyable to read. Write the story in the past tense, even if the outline may be provided in the present tense. Remember to give a title to your story. Title of the story. Choose a title that is related to the main characters or events of the story. Now see, outline is given here. Ant, thirsty, river, sleeps, drowns, dove, plucks, leaf, fall, climbs, floats, tanks, hunter, gun, aims, dove, stings, foot, screams, noise. Last one is flies away. First, we have to think about the title of the story. So let's see which title I have given here. The title is The Ant and the Dove. The story we have to write in 3 steps. First one is introduction, second one is body of the story, third one is end of the story. So let's start. First I have written here introduction. See, on a hot summer day, an ant was walking along the bank of a river. The ant was tired and thirsty. It went to the river to drink water. Unfortunately, the ant slipped and fell into the river and was struggling for life. See body now. A dove sitting on a tree saw the ant was drowning. So the dove plucked a leaf from the branch and let it fall into the river close to the ant. The ant climbed on the leaf and floated safely to the bank of the river. The ant was grateful and thanked the dove for saving its life. Later that day, the ant saw a hunter with a gun aiming at the dove. Immediately, the ant stung the hunter on his foot and he screamed in pain. Hearing the noise, the dove flew away. Now, end of the story. See. So, in this way, the ant repaired the dove by saving its life from danger. Like this, in 3 steps, you can write story. Understood? I hope you understood the story. Thank you.